To clean the espresso machine, you're going to start by filling the silver pan with hot water and sprinkle some espresso machine cleaner in it. Then you're going to take the portafilter and take it apart and put all the pieces in the tray. Start by taking the flathead screwdriver and pop up the portafilter basket and place the basket in the water. Then you're going to take up the wire and place it in the water as well. Then you're going to use the screwdriver to unscrew the screen from the group head. Then you're going to set the screw on the side and put it on a towel so it doesn't get lost. Next, you're going to take the cleaning brush and scrub the empty group head to clean out any leftover grounds. Next, you're going to use the brush and clean off and scrub all of the pieces. Next, you're going to take the screwdriver and screw the clean screen back into place. Next, you're going to take the blind portafilter and you're going to sprinkle some machine cleaner in the center of it. Then you're going to lock the blind portafilter into the group head and you're going to cycle the machine for 10 seconds on and 10 seconds off for a total of 5 cycles. This will last for approximately 1 minute and 40 seconds. Then you're going to repeat the same process again for another 5 cycles, but with no machine cleaner in the portafilter. To finish cleaning the machine, you're just going to finish scrubbing the leftover pieces of the portafilter and you're going to lock them back into the portafilter, starting with the wire and then the portafilter basket. Once you're finished doing that, you're just going to lock the portafilter back into the group head and place a sleeve around the portafilter to signify that the machine has been cleaned.